Hey guys, it's Geek Out Everything and we are back with another video, and this is gonna be the fun one. So guys, I was actually searching for gaming PCs on Amazon India, and I've got some fun ones. So let's just start, and the first thing that I got is the calculator recommendation. I don't know why, but yeah, that's how it is. And let's just jump right into the PC that I've got. So this is the fun one. So this is the Gist gaming desktop, Intel Core i5, 8GB, 120GB of SSD, 320GB of HDD. Yeah, I think for 26,000 rupees, this is a good PC, but you cannot call it a gaming PC. Please don't call it. It has GTX 710, doesn't mean that it's a gaming PC. Yeah, obviously you can play like San Andreas on this, which is I don't know, like 12, 13, 14 years old game. So yeah, and the good thing is that you'll get full HD monitor, keyboard, mouse with this one, and Windows 10 trial. What? Yeah, you'll get Windows 10 trial with it. I think this is the new one, and it's ready to play, which is I think it's ready to play. So yeah, and if you want to just look at some deep specs, then it has Intel Core i5 3rd generation, 861 motherboard, 8GB of RAM, and it has SSD, which is a good thing. But guys, the part where I completely lost it is in the reviews. So let's just go right there. Is this for gaming? Yes, under budget gaming desktop, normal and medium mode. Can we play GTA 5 and Free Fire? You can play Free Fire without any problem. Wait, what? Hello? Free Fire? Yes, you can play Free Fire without any problem, but I don't know why would you play Free Fire on PC, but yeah, that's how it is. And but there's something problem in GTA 5. Yeah, I know exactly what's the problem is with GTA 5. Playing GTA 5, yeah, can play at normal or medium 720p. I think you should add one more thing, at 5 FPS. Dude, use EDS mixing software. Guys, EDS is a video editing mixing software, anything like that. Yes, but it's a basic graphic. For best performance, need to upgrade graphic card. I think not just the graphic card, you just have to change the whole goddamn PC. Bro, look at the customer images. This is very good PC. Okay, just bro, calm down. Best for games of mobile. Bro, again, why would you buy a PC for playing mobile games? Mobile in that budget, bro. For 26,000 you can buy a really good gaming phone. Why would you buy a PC? And PC success PUBG PC. I think you should have bought the mobile to play PUBG PC and Valorant. Why would you buy this PC to play the PUBG PC? Bro, come on. Guys, I hope you're not this guy. Let's just read. I also contacted Sophie Electronics. Best for all PC in 30k. It comes with safety measures. What kind of safety measures? And has very less wires. Also, bro, very less wires? What do you mean very less wires? It should have. Doesn't it have a SATA cable or anything like that? Has Wi-Fi drive? Has Wi-Fi drive given in the back of CPU? Guys, do you know what Wi-Fi drive is? Because I don't know. You have to do no update for. What is that? Guys, it's God Gaming. It also has red light in CPU, which gives a fancy look. Guys, is this review paid or anything like that? Bro, what's your name? It's by Sharad. Bro, you should have bought the mobile for 26k. It is the best computer for gaming under 30k. It looks are the best, but there is one problem. It has Windows 10 trial version and all. Bro, if it looks good doesn't mean it's perform good. It doesn't mean that it's worth 26,500, because at the end you're gonna play mobile games. People are buying the PCs to play mobile games, guys. What kind of world it is? But guys, to be honest, I think this PC worth 26,500, but it's not for gaming, obviously. I don't know for what it is, but yeah, that's what it is, guys. I don't have any words. So let's just move on. So this is the another one, Electrobot. Guys, names are the best. Electrobot. Budget gaming PC, Intel G4560. Okay, 8 GB of RAM, 1 TB HDD, Nvidia GT 710, 2 GB, and gaming cabinet with RGB strip lighting. Okay, so all you're getting for 22,000 rupees plus 110 for the delivery is the RGB lighting. Trust me. So I think the only thing that you can play in this PC is Counter-Strike 1.6 or GTA San Andreas. Yes, and it's a pretty good showpiece for 20 to 22,000 rupees because it has a really good RGB. I don't know, guys, what kind of obsession people have with the RGB. Guys, RGB doesn't mean that your PC will perform good. RGB is not the reason. Just come on. So let's just see the reviews. I think nobody have bought this. Okay, I've already purchased this CPU and I'm writing this review using the same CPU. It works cool, good quality. Oh, this guy bought in 2020. God damn. Good quality parts are assembled. I purchased this for 16,000, but now I don't know why price has increased. It has many problems after using for some months. I don't know what kind of problem you must be facing. You must need to upgrade this after buying this CPU. There's no extra fan to cool the processor. Okay, so I think you got the point. Guys, RGB is just lighting. It doesn't mean that it will boost your PC, and it doesn't make your PC run faster. Guys, actually people are scamming, to be honest, because they just put the hell out of crap inside a good looking case and just show people that it's a gaming PC. It doesn't work like that, and most of the people actually buy these and get scammed. So guys, the main motto of this whole video is that just don't buy pre-built PC, especially budget PCs from Amazon, obviously, because they are not branded or anything like that. So there are companies that make a pre-built gaming PC, like HP makes, I think Lenovo makes. So these are the actual company that makes a good gaming PCs, but they are expensive. Obviously this starts at like a lakh or something, but if you are just spending like 22,000 rupees, then all you are getting is just a good looking case, and inside which you are just getting a crap which is of no use, to be honest. So yeah, so let's just move on to another one. So it's a, guys, I don't want to just take its name. It's very weird. When I first pronounced it, it was really weird. I don't even want to pronounce it. What is that? Come on. So it has Core i5 4th gen. It's actually better than this PC and even this one. So it has i5 4th gen CPU, 8 GB of DDR3 RAM, 1 TB of HDD cabinet, Wi-Fi, Windows 10, and has MS Office Trial, which is a really big favor that they have put a MS Office Trial version. PUBG and Call of Duty pre-installed. Guys, come on. This is the part where I lost it again. PUBG and Call of Duty, and I'll tell you why. It's okay, you're giving a PUBG, which is 1,000 rupees game, and Call of Duty, which is again a pretty big game, pre-installed with joystick. I don't know why would you play with joystick. Either you are not aware of what gaming is, or you are just a kid. And 4 GB of graphics with 480 GB of SSD. Okay, so let's just move on. Oh, you also have a customization option. So gaming PC details. Again, I don't want to call it. You pronounce it, guys. Let me in the comments below what do you think about the name. PC computer, i5 4th gen. Okay, 8 GB of DDR3 RAM, 480 GB of SSD. That's good. 1 TB of HDD. Guys, in case you don't know, at a rupees of 40,500, you can get a much better laptop. You can get a much better laptop in this price than this PC, to be honest. And PUBG and Call of Duty pre-installed with joystick, special gaming desktop add-on for benefit of customer. PUBG Call of Duty has been pre-installed with Android simulator. Guys, again, actually these people are actually targeting the mobile audience, those who want to play mobile games on the PC. They're not targeting the people who actually want to play PC games. Like, obviously it will run, I think, Counter-Strike at about 50 or even 50-60 FPS. I'm not sure, even less. But they're actually scamming people. They are actually calling PUBG and Call of Duty pre-installed. Guys, I thought they are giving actually 1,000 rupees game for free, but they had actually pre-installed the Android simulator. Come on. And yeah guys, and that's why you should never buy pre-built PC from Amazon. Because so guys, the whole point of this video is that just don't go and buy any gaming PC from Amazon, which is actually claiming to be a gaming PC. And just like this, as you can see, it is actually, they are actually scamming people by just putting a lot of crap in just a good looking RGB case, which is not a good thing, to be honest. And it's not like it is happening only in India. All of these scams happen on Amazon.com as well. So the only thing is that you have to be aware of that. As you can see, this one is actually a good PC, but I don't think you should spend 40,000 on this PC, which is not even a branded one. And guys, if you just enjoyed the video, hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. That will be really helpful, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, peace out.